Hey guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on that TV. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have whether I leave Lynx Entertainment or not, I won't fade away. Kuami Eugene challenges Guru. Yeah, so Kuami Eugene, aka Rockstar, has told his critics during a live Instagram session that he won't fade away into oblivion anytime soon, whether he's at Lynx Entertainment or elsewhere. Yeah, so the A-list Ghanaian artist says he has a lot of unreleased songs under his sleeves which will sustain his relevance and keep him on top of the game for a very long time. So those praying for his downfall can do better than that. According to the Open Gate hitmaker, he's embarking on serious fasting and prayers for God's mercies to thwart the efforts of his enemies. Yeah, so he had a live recording session in his studio as he freestyles one of his yet to be released songs. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below.
I'm always working. This is always working. So say what most people are predicting won't come to pass now. I have to work harder so that the way people are predicting for me to come and pass early, it won't come to pass. You get it? It means I need to put in hard work and I need God on my side. So now because of you, extra fasting. And because of you, extra fasting. Those are some people that are just hoping that, hey, maybe when you leave Lynx, hey. Okay. Why? I have to work harder because of some people. Because if I fall today, I have a song I've written, but let me give you a freestyle. I have a song I've written, but I've not recorded it yet. Well, shout to you, KB. I see you. I have a song I've written. It goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. If I fall down, the song goes like this. I've not recorded it yet, so I don't remember all the words conk, but I think I can figure out some. Okay, I have to stop because people are recording this song before. Okay, real quick, let me play it one more time. Don't record this song before I will release it tonight. It says, if I fall down today, then go laugh at my sorrows. If I fall down today, then go laugh at my sorrows. If I fall down today, then they say I will borrow. Oluwa help me, Baba, answer my prayers, so make the little you give me never finish, oh. Make it never finish, oh. Make it never finish, oh. Never done.